Everyone, Stacking Toys, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Splatoon 2 Deluxe Splat Pack. So this is what I got for Christmas. Also, my cousin and my family's here. Just wanted to say hi. Even if you don't know him, but he just wanted me to say that. Anyway, here it is. I kind of, well, the box got kind of ripped. You know, you get excited for these things. I'll show you the packaging at the end since it's broken. This is ripped up, but let's open it. It's that easy. Alright, to show you, this is like a half unboxing. We get the Joy-Con grip, like slash controller for it. It's really nice. These buttons feel like really flimsy and stuff. But really, when you put the Joy-Con in, it pushes them out, the plastic ones out, and then you can actually push it open. You flip this open, and then here you have like instructions on it to show you like how to install like the Joy-Cons on it, you know. If we can focus. There you go. See? Boom. And then we have like a little pouch, like little case. It has a nice hook to put 4 games inside. It's really nice. And then here we have analog stick thumb attachment grips. See? I'll open those for you guys. Got it. There we go. I already have ones on my Switch. You probably guys saw on the Minecraft Hybrid cover unboxing. Here we go. Feel really like gripped, so they don't slide your thumbs across. And then here we have like a little carrying case for it. Little case just for the console. Flimsy, but it'll do. It's a pack. And then let me show you the box of the artwork. Here it is in the front. You have a little picture of the controller with the grip on it. And then the case comes with all the rest of the stuff. Focus. There you go. And guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Merry Christmas. And I'm going to be unboxing other stuff. Bye.